Yes, now we are going to demonstrate about different rhythms, how to interlock and how to improvise in a very simple beat, because you've got to improvise in a very simple beat. You cannot play too many beats and you think that you can improvise on top of too many beats. They must be simple, and music must breathe. Music cannot be closed like this. They must always come like that and out and so on. So all those things, they've got something that they are doing in our bodies. So Sis Betty, she's going to play the main major rhythm, which is, yes, beautiful, Sis Betty. And then Roxy also is gonna do the same thing. And I'm going to improvise on top of this very simple rhythm. Yes, yes, yes. So what is nice now, it's nice to play when there's a stable beat going on. Then you can do whatever. But if you don't have any of that beat, you will play and you're going to be limited because you don't know whether to go further or to do what, because you don't have a beat that is really directing you, because now with this, you can sing do-do, ba, do-do, do-do, ba, do-do, gung-gung-gung, do-do, dung-gung-gung, do-do, gung-gung-gung, do-do, do-do, ba, do-do, ba, do-do, ba, do-do. So you can do also with your mouth, whatever. So the mouth percussion, it really helps also to remember all what you've been taught. For instance, say you are teaching children that have never read or write music. How do you start to teach those people? Always start with mouth rhythm. If they can say it, they can play it. If they can say it, they can play it. So you can use that, and then also at the same time, to make it simple so that people, they see, it's just to play a very straight beat. Okay, Mrs. Betty, can you just play? Colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga nda colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga nda colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga nda colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga nda colitike kosekonga tanga yekonga ngada saqedo lesaqonga umqoqozi kama xa sibexakene ngengxoxo. I always call the world of percussion, if you've got mouth is so important to voice out the rhythm first, then you play, then you will never have any problem. Because what is important, if a child could go with the rhythm, because if I teach them a rhythm, sometimes one will play doom, 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 doom. Yes? You can do that with me. Ne? Doom, doom. Yes. Doom, 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 doom. 3, 2, 2. Dum, 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 dum. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Always also, what is nice, when you count this, when you count also, my foot will always dam, 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 dam. So this one, it goes dam, dam, Dum, 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 dum. Now, if I want to improvise, bam, 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 bam. Yes, it's better. Yes. Bam, 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 bam. Beautiful. Aha! Yes, yes, yes. So this now, it's these polyrhythms, because Sis Betty, she's playing her own rhythm, and then Sis Roxy also the same thing. Me also, I'm playing my own rhythm, and then I improvise on top of all that. Then it becomes a difficult, complex, and so beautiful, because now you don't know who's playing what and what, you know, because now the rhythms are all together. And the easiest way to teach people the rhythm and so on is the word of mouth. Because when you say, Papa, boom, boom, and then with your clap, it's easy for the children. Very, very easy.